Hello friends, welcome to English Express. So today's video is Business English versus General English. So let's start today's video. तो first sentence जो है in General English is I got your email. I got your email. But in Business English, I received your email. I received your email. Next, I need your help. I need your help. In business term, I required your assistance. I required your assistance. Next, in general English is fix the problem. But in business, resolve the issue. Resolve the issue. Next is find out what's the problem. But in business, identify the issue. Identify the issue. We have to fix it. Okay? तो हम business में use करते हैं identify the issue. Next is please make sure to complete reports by EOD. Okay? But in business term, in business English, please ensure, make sure की जगह ensure, please ensure to complete reports by EOD, end of the day. Okay? Next, in general English is could you please talk more about the business plan? Okay? But in business English, could you please elaborate the business plan? Could you please elaborate the business plan? How do I getting in touch with my manager? तो हम business English में कैसे पूछेंगे? How do I contact my manager? Okay? In business terms, do I getting in touch with? ये सब हमें यूज नहीं करना है, नॉर्मल बोलना है how do I contact to my manager. Okay? तो आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए keep learning and stay safe. Thank you so much.